Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a guest bedroom makeover. So our guest bedroom actually, I would say doubles, but I guess it triples as three different things. It's on the main level of our home and it's right off the living room. So it's actually our office, our playroom, and also a bedroom as well. We do actually have another bedroom that's upstairs that has pretty much nothing in it but a couple of boxes. And that is what I think is probably the true guest bedroom in this house, because it does have a closet and this room doesn't. But my mom comes about once a week and stays with us, and she's 72, I think, and I just felt a lot more comfortable having her downstairs, and she's also more comfortable being downstairs as well. There's a half bath down here, so that way she's only having to go up and down the stairs just to take her shower, which she normally is here for one night. She may or may not take a shower when she's here. She only lives like 45 minutes down the road, so that is why we have a bedroom downstairs and it triples as what it is. I really wanted to make it a point to, in this house, just to not have the toys in the living room. I just really wanted that space to just feel clean and not have toys everywhere all the time. Granted, it does have toys everywhere all the time, but the toy storage is in this room. And then we had decided to make that extra room upstairs an office, but our desk wouldn't fit going up the stairs from the ceiling to the stairs. It was like too narrow or short, however you want to say it. So with that being said, our big desk had to go in here with our computer, and I actually don't even have it in here right now. It was right where I'm standing, but I did take it out because we tried one more time to get that thing upstairs. If that thing wasn't in here, we would have a lot more room, and I feel like I would be able to kind of rearrange the furniture in here differently, but I did go ahead and just take it out. It's in the living room right now. I'll show it to you in just a moment, but it's out there just so I can kind of configure the space that I already have in here, and then if we find that it doesn't fit very well in here, I'm probably just gonna put it in the garage for now. I'm not sure, unless I can find another place for it. So it's a disaster, just how most of my other videos are. It begins a disaster, but I'm hoping that I can just kind of work with what I have and not really have to buy anything new, but just to try and make this room feel as homey as can be. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the best way for me to start with decluttering and organizing and decorating in general is with a clean slate. So I just went ahead and started removing all the items out of the guest room, starting with the toys and then moving on to all the stuff that was in the desk or on the desk that we had just piled on the bed. I'm standing outside the window. 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 I'm standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. If you have seen my Mom Hacks video, you'll remember that I did state on there how important it is to recruit help. And so, as you'll see here, not only do we have our puppy helping us, very much helping us, but I also did recruit my husband to help me. We're just gonna go ahead and take off the bedding. The bedding was clean, but just to make the mattress a little bit lighter, we went ahead and removed that. We got the mattress and the box spring off of the bed frame. This is just one of those adjustable bed frames that you can get from, I guess, Walmart, probably Amazon. I think it goes from like a twin to a full and then to a queen. This is a queen bed. We would eventually like to get a bed frame that has a headboard or just purchase a headboard by itself. But for right now, this is doing us just fine. So we decided to try and put the bed frame on the side of the room that has like the longest wall, just so it would kind of make the room feel a little bit more open whenever we walked in the room.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on
Once the bed was placed where we decided we would like to keep it, I did go ahead and start putting the bedding back on the bed. I did want to mention to you guys that the only thing I really did purchase for this room was this quilt. I actually found this at Walmart, and it said it was $24.99, but when I went to check out, it was only $19, and I could not pass it up. I wanted to brighten the room up some, and even though it's kind of dark with all the floral on it, I just feel like it really did lighten up the room. And then I found these pink cushions at Walmart as well. These were $4 a piece, and I just thought they really matched the colors really well and just brighten it up for spring and summer. The other side is actually reversible, and I didn't even know it, but it's just that solid pink color as well, so you can really use it on either side.
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free. Not looking back.
So after the bed was made, I went ahead and removed the pictures on this wall because we had first decided to put the desk over here. I had a TV in this room prior to us taking everything out, and it was on the desk. That was kind of like our computer TV stand kind of area, and we realized that my mom never really watched that TV. It wasn't even plugged in, and didn't want the desk placement to have a deciding factor as if she could see the TV on it or not. So we went ahead and just placed the desk back where it was originally. We just felt like it was best there, and it just made the room feel a lot more open when you walked in and not like you were walking straight into the desk. So I just feel like it worked a lot better on this wall. Afterwards, I went ahead and got into organizing the toys some. I know that toys do not stay organized, and that's one reason I do not do this a lot. But we had recently gotten our ball pit out, and my son played with that for a little while, like a couple weeks or so, and then all of the balls that were in the ball pit just ended up in his toy box, and you can see just how much space those were taking up. So I decided to go ahead and remove those, and I'm going to speed that up a good bit here because it did take quite a while to get all those bagged up. But after I got everything organized, I'm just going to go ahead and clean this toy box because it needed a good wipe down, and just finish sorting all his toys. toys were cleared, I just decided to go ahead and work on this little nook area that was on the left side of the bed. It's kind of like our side table, I guess, for this room. It was actually a coffee table that we got at Walmart. That was one of those easy to assemble little tables. So we just used it for a side table because there was such a big gap over there. It needed something bigger like that. And then I just went ahead and wiped down everything on the desk. It wasn't dirty per se, but it does get dusty very easily. So it hadn't been wiped down in a while. So I just went ahead and did that. I have debated so much with what I should do with this desk. I kind of am liking the wood look right now with the comforter set. I feel like it almost is like a mustard color. But I have considered whitewashing it as well because I do like things to be very white, bright, clean. This desk though was actually handmade by one of my mom's friend's husbands, so she's actually like a godmother to me. So her husband actually, he does woodwork and he's a welder and he fixes desks, so I'm not sure if I really want to change it up, but anyway, here is the finished product. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope it provided you some motivation to change up a room that you have in your house. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up and I would love to have you as a subscriber. I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye!